Hi guys, in today's video we are gonna build a Lego vending machine that has Coca-Colas. So let's start it and I'll tell you what the pieces do you need, and thanks for tuning in. For this build you're gonna need these pieces. Yeah, a lot of these, but these are just four of it. And if you don't have this glass piece, you cannot make it. This is really important. So let's start it. How to make it. Okay. So in the first you'll need these two bricks. Place the yellow one front. Actually, you can keep any color. And then you're gonna need these. Put it in the yellow brick, okay? And now don't need those. And next put some of these over here. Yeah, these. And then here comes the second part. You need this blue one for this one. You put the black piece over here and the brown over here and this one over here, and then is the nothing part. I mean, you'll need not the nothing part, you'll need some of these ones. Attach it together, and you'll need some of these personally, and the next one over here. And I just forgot to put this. Okay, you put it, okay? And even I put it right now. And take these, the Coke. And you must be wondering, how can I keep those? And we're going to show that in the end of the video. Not in the completely end of the video, but yeah, we will show it. Then put it. And now when you need the Lego plate, put it up. And boom! It's the Lego vending machine with Coca-Colas. And don't forget to make these typing things. And if I make something wrong in this, please tell me in the comments below. And I was very bad to explain these if something wrong. And be sure to check. Now look. Okay. Bye. And don't forget to smile. And bye.